Nature is a unique and spectacular marvel. By design, living beings are connected and reliant upon each other. Our life on Earth depends on these connections. Yet we humans have overrun the world. And that is our greatest mistake. But if we act now, we can make it right. And the first step to making things right is to have a conversation. Kirloskar Vasundhara International Film Festival. A film festival dedicated to creating a harmonious coexistence between nature and mankind. For this, we sourced films from BBC, National Geographic, Riverbank Studios, Max Muller, Alliance Francaise, Icon Films, Uranium Film Festival, CMS Vatavaran, and the Woodpecker Film Festival, to name a few. We integrated these films with panel discussions featuring renowned environmentalists and conservationists, and then peppered content with snippets featuring the green initiatives of the brand, thus engaging audiences through content with a purpose. To invite the audience, we let Mother Nature do the talking through a film that showcased the beauty and abundance she's given us, leaving us with the question, what does nature really mean to us? Each theme had its own film, be it the health of nature, the health of society, or the state of food systems. Keeping it digital in nature, we designed its identity. Hosted it on insider.in and created communication for 45 days. Over 1 lakh people registered. 1.25 lakh participation certificates were issued. CNN gifted 250,000 impressions on their digital platform. Each daily stream averaged 8,000 active viewers. We featured in 210 newspaper clips. This film festival served as an engaging way to talk to people about caring for nature, all without it being corporate speak or pushed out content.